Let's
Ay.
get this stuff going, yeah.
Hey,
Hey.
I get the ring, yeah. Look at the check on the scene, yeah. Look on the arm on the scene, yeah. Hard for face and catch that shit gonna pop up in. Hey, go ahead, keep.
Go ahead, Keith. And you know I do this. I'ma do like Ludacris, like a Ludacris.
Like Ludacris. But by the time I pass, I just have it, cause send that to the tricks. Cause you know I'll be rapping good,
Yeah.
like Ludacris. Hey, I got fast like a paycheck, got a paycheck, got a paycheck. I need
Yeah,
no
I gotta get
paycheck.
paycheck. I'm in the days fast. And you know we really do this. Like I'm here, you know we do it, yeah.
But it like a mambo rap. Have fat tickets, all fat that. I play the games, you don't do that. I'm a fast that shit, I'm a hit you.
Hey, you really smell like booty crack. I'm a young homie, you know we do that. But I'm a rap in the tat-tat and a rat Latin in the tat-tat, yeah.
Like a rat-a-tat-tat, fast tap, put a pat-tat, can't pass that, but the pass wave and fat that.
Hey, yeah, like a subway with fast rap when you last that and you get that.
I'm a tap from the south side, east
Hey,
side.
yeah, and you know from the south side, from the west side, and the east side, yeah.
I'm a tap like a feet pile in the seat, try, got a remix.
Hey, and you know we wearing Nikes, yeah. And you know we gon' fight me, yeah.
I'ma tell you not fight me, I swear to God, your boy gon' fight me.
This other guy gon' fight me, I'ma punch you in your chest, yeah.
Cause it better, cause it just says I'ma slit you in your neck.
Yeah, slit you in your neck, boy, you smell like booty checks, yeah.
Cause you need to get out of my face with your ugly gaze.
Yeah, looking like a face, yeah, boy, you really a disgrace, yeah.
Cause you live a disgrace, you said I'm a disgrace, yeah.
Say you disgrace, yeah, you a yeah.
Cause you look like you never gon' A with your teeth. Looking like you sound fast like you can say key. You know I rap fast like Eminem, girlfriend that's him.
Yeah, rap like fast like Eminem, I rap fast like Logic. I mean, young homie, you know you stop it, you know what I mean, pop a dog, yeah.
Rapping like hashtag competente, on fuck my shit, on fit, on fat, on cross, on fake. Cause you know I